Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. Everything you see is by a brand called YATTICH. And pretty much what this is a professional knee pad that you can use for working, going skateboarding, snowboarding, whatever you guys want to. Maybe not snowboarding, but basically this is for using to protect your knees when you guys are doing some kind of construction work or some kind of work that probably hurt your knee in some kind of way. So you guys want to make sure that you guys are protected and safe and whatnot. But first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like before we test it out and whatnot. So when you guys first open the package itself, this is what it looks like inside. They give you a little bag. It definitely has like a really strong smell once you guys open the bag itself. But it's really cool how they provide you a bag so you can actually store this when you guys are not using it or whatever. But this is basically what it looks like and see. Definitely is padded and you guys will be protected once you guys use this product. They have the logo right here. The back part is like this. So you can strap on here and strap on here. So there's two straps. For the padded part right here inside, they use like a foam and gel material to protect your knees when you guys are using it and whatnot. And the way how they designed this padding for the actual knee pad is the fact that it's made in a way so it's actually anti-skid or non-slip. So if you guys want to go on your knee, it won't be slipping around if you guys are on like a slippery kind of like surface or whatever. So this is basically what one of them looks like and see. Really easy to kind of strap on like that. Same thing for the top part, but you guys definitely get like the cushion that I mentioned earlier about like the gel material and also that foam material that they use to make it really comfortable when you guys use it. But the only way for us to actually find out when it actually works and how well it works is to actually go test it out. So let me actually go do a quick test of the product first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product after. Alright, so here we have the product all set up right now. So basically how you guys want to do it is just set up like this, but you guys want to make it as tight or as loose depending on your preference of how you guys want to wear it. If you guys want to make it tighter, definitely it's better so you guys get a more secure fit. If you guys want to make it a little bit looser, it's probably more comfortable, but also it's not as secure, so it comes off much easier. So that's definitely one thing to kind of consider when you guys have these on. But I'm going to do a quick test right now to show you guys how it works when I actually go on my knee and whatnot and tell you guys how it feels. Alright, let's go on the knees. So this is basically what it looks like when you guys have it on correctly and whatnot. Just by going on my knees right now, it doesn't hurt at all. It's feeling super comfortable because of the foam and the gel material on here. And getting back up is pretty easy as well. Just have to walk back up like this. So it does come off pretty easily because of how loose I made it. And the reason why I make it loose is because I want to show you guys what it looks like, and also because I'm wearing shorts. Definitely useful for people who are always on their knees all day, maybe like a construction worker or someone who's doing gardening or something. Basically people who are on the knee a lot, these are actually really nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the quick test of me going on my knees and everything, kind of like moving back and forth to show you guys how well it works and whatnot. You guys can see that actually does work and it works quite well. Really easy and really simple to use. But that's basically everything about the product itself. Now to be the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys do some kind of like construction work, or if you guys are in knees all day and you guys feel some kind of pain on your knees just by going on your knees all day for a really long period of time. This is definitely a lot more helpful, so it kind of reduces that pain and also give you guys a better comfort that can also protect your knees, especially if you guys are on your knees like all day or in some kind of like dangerous environment. So let's say if you guys are doing construction and there might be like open area where there might be a needle or something and you guys don't have this on, then you guys are not protected. Whereas if you guys do have one of these, then you guys are more protected and you guys kind of feel more like safe being around that environment. So pretty much long story short, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys can use this and if you guys need this. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have